oven for 200. Now put your flour into the bowl. Now you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Hope it doesn't blow. Now you need salt. You just need a little bit of salt, a little bit of a teaspoon. Like that. And then mix carefully. Then you press, you cut the butter into cubes. Oh, hard this is. Cubes. And then cut them into rectangles. So there's some more butter. Now you have to put the butter up and with your fingers. Alright. Okay, so we are going to put 3 spoonfuls of caster sugar into the bowl, and then we're going to mix it. Do we have to mix it? 1, 2, 3. Then we have to mix it. La 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 la. Smells so nice. This is a bit of milk, warm milk. We're going to put
vanilla extract
and lemon juice. Make a well in your mixture and pour the milk into your ingredients. And don't overmix the dough. Put some flour on your work table to bake, and then get the mixture and pour it on.
See it tip out.
We're going to work it into smooth dough. Ta-da! Now pat it until it's 4 meters thick.
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. A circle cutter to make them all the same size.
We haven't got a circle cutter, so we're using a flour.
So
But it's about 5 centimeters.
Now we have to crack it, spread the egg onto all of the mixture. Now you mix the egg, you have to paint the egg on the stones.